Launch X431V is an 8-inch new Android-based vehicle trouble diagnostic device developed for Internet applications. It is characterized by covering a wide range of vehicles, featuring powerful functions and providing precise test results. 4,850 mAh built-in battery fit for different situations. It also supports ECU coding function on a large amount of car makers, including Benz, Ford, and more. Active test makes the tester outputs function instead of checking in ignition status. To diagnose car comprehensively, it can read DTCs and data streams for all systems, for instance, transmission, engine, fuel system, emission system, body, powertrain, and more. To perform common repair and maintenance items, it including oil lamp reset, brake pad reset, TPMS reset, battery matching, injector programming, throttle adaptation, DPF reset, gear learning, steering angle reset, ABS brake bleeding, immobilizer matching. You can get remote control tech support from technician by sending one-click recorded videos and accurate diagnostic results to them. Diagnosis feedback can provide detailed DTC online help so that maintenance technicians can quickly rectify faults and improve diagnosis efficiency. Access to vehicle maintenance documents and cases library stored in cloud network of launch. Works for more than 93 car brands up to 1,000 car models. Supports special cars like Indian Tata, Maruti, Mahindra, Malaysia Peradua, Proton, IKCO, Saipa, etc. Multi-language, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, one-click update, Google definition, and solution under the fault code. Share captured pictures and diagnostic report to mailbox.